how to turn on the night light on Windows 10. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the night light on Windows in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to the start icon here down, and after that you have to choose settings, and now choose system here, the first option. And as you can see, this is the night light option. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it is, please leave a like, cause it will help me a lot. And thank you so much for watching till the end.